Hello and welcome to Diecast YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys my latest custom. Actually, I couldn't make any videos while I'm doing this one, but I thought to do a video after I completed this custom model. So because it looks pretty nice, I always wanted to make something off-roady and something in related to army vehicles, but I didn't have any specific model. So I thought to try my camouflage ute with this casting. This is Hot Wheels Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. This was released in last year, 2018, as I remember. I don't know. Yep, 2018 with maroon color, maroonish red. So what I did was I stripped the paint by using paint stripper and applied clear coat. Sorry, applied applied prime coat, and applied this light green color paint. Then I start doing this camouflage design by hand. I normally use acrylic paint plus this tool to paint. I don't use brushes because to do this kind of tiny details, I normally use this type of very sharp edges, sharp point. And yep, I wanted to do something in the I wanted to put something in the ute section, but I didn't have any miniature guns or army soldier figures. So I thought to close the hood and place an extra tire and an antenna. So actually it came up pretty good. And the other thing was, first time ever I screwed this casting back again. I used this 6mm 4G Philip head nails. So, but unfortunately in this casting the depth of this rivet hole is bit too much, so I had to cover this nail head. So I used this small timber piece to and painted it with the brownish color to make it like off-roady. And I put some brown paint on wheels to to show it, to give it a off-road look. And and painted some brown mud color effect on the body as well. Apart from that, I didn't do anything. I kept this original Chevy logo in front, and there's the Chevy logo in the rear piece as well. Yep, so this is it. This was my latest custom model, as I told you. Yep, I have done few videos about how to customize your Hot Wheel cars. Actually this is pretty much addictive, as it's similar to your Hot Wheel collecting, your hobby collecting Hot Wheels. But when you start customizing cars, you can't you will never stop. You will never stop it, because it's that much addictive. You won't be able to stop it, man, trust me. All right, so that's it. I'll show you guys my latest Hot Wheels hauls in past few months, because I didn't do any unboxing videos in recent past, because I have I was busy past few weeks and past few months. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys need any help about customizing Hot Wheels or anything, just inbox me. Please visit my Diecast, my Instagram page, Diecast Beast, or please leave a comment in below, and don't forget to hit subscribe button and hit like as well if you guys like my videos. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll meet you guys with another video soon. Bye.